Hey guys, this is Jason over at Goldstein Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram, your Jeep and EV certified expert, here to talk to you about Jeep's first ever fully electric vehicle, the Wagoneer S. Now this vehicle is powered by 2 electric drive modules, creating over 600 horsepower and 617 pound-feet of torque, and you will get 300 miles of driving range in this vehicle. On top of the amazing performance you get with this vehicle, Jeep also has a reimagined 7-slat LED grille that illuminates at nighttime. So with the Wagoneer S, you guys, you will have 20-inch painted aluminum wheels. You will have a wing on top of the vehicle, a rear spoiler that not only gives it a sporty look, but on top of it actually helps with the performance of the vehicle. You'll have a full LED light bar tail lamp that also lights up at nighttime, making sure you stand out from the rest of the vehicles on the road. Now with the Wagoneer S, you will also get plenty of cargo space. Let me go ahead and show you guys with our foot-activated powered liftgate. Now, as you can see here, plenty of space here behind any passengers that you have. On top of that, you will also have more space under here as well. Now, if that wasn't enough space for you, you even have more space in the front of this vehicle because it is an all-electric vehicle. Your passengers will also be riding in comfort in this vehicle. In this vehicle, they will have heated and ventilated seats in the back here, an armrest with cup holders, and they'll also have a dual pane panoramic sunroof so they can let all the sunshine hit them while sitting in the back of this vehicle. Coming up front here, you will have these beautiful red seats that are powered, massaging, ventilated, and heated. The passenger here will have their own 10.25-inch touchscreen display that is interactive. You can do stuff like send navigation directions to the driver, check vehicle cameras, and even watch your own media through the HDMI port. Below that, you will have ambient lighting that runs throughout the entire vehicle, and you have over 64 different color options to choose from. Now, coming over to the driver's side of things, you will have this beautiful 12.3-inch touchscreen that's Uconnect 5 with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below that, you will have a 10.25-inch touchscreen where you can access comfort settings such as massaging seats and fan speed. You will also have more storage space underneath there. You will have a metal rotary shifter right here as well. And just below that, you have a select terrain system with sand, snow, auto, sport, and eco, so you can drive in all weather conditions optimally. And just below that, you will have a wireless charging pad where you can put your phone to charge. Now coming over here, the driver will get a 10-inch heads-up display. They will also get a 12.3-inch digital cluster display. They'll also get a performance steering wheel, which means it has a flat top, flat bottom. And while we're over here, let's talk about this beautiful 19-speaker Macintosh audio system that comes with a 12-inch subwoofer as well, making for a super high-quality sounding experience in this vehicle. So guys, this wraps up the Jeep Wagoneer S. You also get over 170 safety features in this vehicle, like blind spot monitoring, cross-path detection, pedestrian and cyclist emergency braking, plenty more as well. You also do get plenty of warranties with this vehicle. You will have an 8-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, an 8-year, 100,000-mile high-voltage battery warranty, a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic coverage warranty. And on top of that, you can also download the Jeep app where you can do stuff like remote start the vehicle from the app, unlock and lock the vehicle in the app, and you can even check the battery percentage in the app. So guys, I would overall say the Wagoneer S is probably the greatest purchase you can make for an electric vehicle.